guys, and welcome back to Moto Addictions. In today's video, we are again going to be tearing apart the Big Red and getting her all parted out. This is the fourth video out of, I have no idea, for this series. And yeah, so in this video, we are hopefully going to be getting off the exhaust and the rear diff. I've never taken the diff off before, so we're going to see how that one goes. But we're going to get diff off, your rear shock, the rear axle cover, and hopefully exhaust. And then we're going to go in the garage, and we are going to clean up the parts we've already taken off and just have fun with it. So, let's jump into it.
Bring it back.
I think that is where we are going to end today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch these videos. And there's a few things I want to talk about before we end. First thing is it's raining and I need to hurry this up. I want to apologize for cutting this exhaust. I know you guys are going to hate on me, but it wasn't coming off. I mean look at it, it's just not, it's not really worth my time. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm sorry that I cut it. I'm sorry. Okay? Things happen. I mean, if you look at that, I wasn't coming off, and time saver, I need to get this done. I need to get the video out, so I just cut it off. So that's that. Next, is the swing arm. So I'm not really sure how to take the diff off. I'm pretty sure you have to take the swing arm off, or it's easier just that way. So I was going to take the swing arm off because I need to take it off anyway. And I can't get this bolt out, and I will show you the socket that I cracked trying to get that off. So here's the socket, two very nice sizable cracks in it. So I want you guys to, I'm going to put a little poll up right up here. I want you guys to tell me if you've ever cracked a socket like this before, you know, damaged one or anything like that. I want a poll going. I'm going to sit here and we're going to wait, and you guys are going to vote, so click on it right now. I'm waiting. You're going to click on it right there, click on it and vote. Come on. Come on. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell. Comment what you want to see. If you want to see some Model A, haven't done anything on that yet. 70 stuff will be coming, I promise, once you finish up Big Red. Priority right now. 70 engine. Still need to order parts. I've just been lazy. But I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I got too much sauce, how I'm dripping these days. I've been glowing up, that's how I'm living these days. Hating on me then, now you tryna ride my wave. You can see it in my face, I didn't come to play games. Got too much sauce, how I'm dripping these days. I've been glowing up, that's how I'm living these days. I do it for the love, you just do it